Bring it here, girl. Good, hunt him up. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here, Kaya. Good girls. Good, hunt him up. Good girls. Come on, Kaya. Bring it here. Bring it right here. Yeah, good girls. Good girls. Good, hunt him up, Kaya. Look at that. Look at that, Coo. Good, hunt him up. Good girls. Yes. Good girls. Look at that. That's a beauty. Good, hunt it up. Good girls. Look at this. That is a heavy antler. Man, I wish we found this a couple years ago. Whoa. We just found, we're actually out looking for deer sheds, but we just found this nice elk shed. It's pretty old, obviously, pretty deteriorated, broken up, but man, that would have been a nice one to find a few years ago. But I really like this spot. We're gonna have to come back here. Where did you go, girl? Come here, come say hi to the camera. Good girl. You love these antlers, huh? Yeah, you love these antlers. Good girl, Coo. My Coo girl. Settle down, you're gonna get hurt. Easy, easy. Good girl. Yes, that's a good Coo. She got an antler. That's a good antler, huh? That's a good hunt 'em up. Yeah, that's a good hunt 'em up. Good girls. That one's so big you can't even lift it, huh? You can't even lift it, can ya? Good girls. Good girls. Easy, easy. You're gonna get yourself hurt. Good girls. Here, let me put it back on the pack. Leave it alone. Leave it. Leave it. All right, let's go see if we can find some more, okay? Kuya, you want to go find some more antlers? Huh? You guys want to go find more antlers? Come on, let's go find some more antlers. Easy. You are gonna hurt yourself, crazy girl. Come on, let's go find some more. Ashley always wonders why Kuya comes home smelling like elk piss. This is exactly why. I just love this dog. Bring it here, Kaya. Good girl. Good, hunt 'em up. Bring it here. Come on, bring it right here. Bring it here, girls. Come on. No, bring it right here. Go get it. Kuya, bring it here, girl. Bring it here. Go get that antler. Get it and bring it right here. No, Koo. Good, find it. Good, hunt 'em up, girls. Good girl, Kaya. Good girl. Good girls. Good girl, Kaya. Good girl, Koo. Well, we're off to a good start on this hike. We found one from last year. It's actually in really great shape for being last year's antler. It's heavily chewed on, but look, it's still got some really good color to it. But we're gonna throw it on the pack and cruise on this hillside. It's a little bit early for these smaller ones to be dropping. We're just in the middle of March here, but we're definitely in the zone, I think. If we don't find any fresh ones yet, it's a good scouting trip. and maybe we'll find some more old ones. You never know. But keep watching. We'll keep you posted. You ready, girls? Let's throw this on the pack and get going. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Look at that antler. Good girls. Good girls. Good. Hunt 'em up. Good. Hunt 'em up. That's it, girl. That's a good spot, huh? Definitely some bull tracks in here. I don't know how old they are, but they're a little melted out. Not too terrible though. And they're going both ways. So maybe, just maybe, we'll stumble across something. Stumble into these beds behind me here. All right, well, Kaya took off on me. She ran quite a distance a ways. I had to call her back because I was nervous for going so far away. And I asked her if she found something. She got all excited. I told her to show me. And we came up over this ridge and I saw what she was leading me right into. So I'm so proud of this damn dog. Kaya, show me the antlers. Come on. Hunt them up. Come on. Come on. Down here, Kaya. Hunt them up, Koo. Come on. Hunt them up. Koo's going right towards it. Nice. Good girls. Such good girls. Awesome. Nice job, girls. That is so cool. Nice find, Kaya. Good job, girl. That is great. Good find, girls. Hey, everybody. Here with Kaya and Kuyu, and Kaya just found this pretty awesome deadhead. She actually took off on me up and over the ridge. I didn't want the puppy going, and I was getting nervous. I tried calling Kaya, she wouldn't come. So I tried hurrying up and over the ridge. It's a pretty steep country, but once I caught up to her, I asked her if she found anything. She got really excited. I said, show me, and she started running back that direction. And as soon as I got over the little knoll there, I saw it laying in the weeds and started filming. But it's a pretty broken up bull, but I'm sure happy that we found it. This is a pretty heavily traveled area, and it was right out in the open. Anybody on the other ridge probably could have seen it with some binoculars, so pretty fortunate that we got lucky and found this. Good girl, Kaya. But we gave up a really solid trail with some fresher elk tracks to go get this. Now we're gonna go back and up and over the ridge, get back on that trail, and take it into some of these bedding areas here. Hope to find some sheds. We're gonna put a plastic bag on this, wrap the skull, and just to protect it so it doesn't get my backpack all stinky. Hey, leave it alone. Leave it. Leave it. So, it's even got some pretty good ivories. Good girl. Good, hunt it up. Bring it here, Kaya. Come on, bring it here. Kaya, bring it here. Good girl. Come on, good girl. Hey, everybody. Kaya just found this nice 2-point muley shed, still brown. A little bit wet, kind of sticking in some mossy stuff, but it's great shape. Definitely gonna take it. We were actually looking for some elk antlers. We saw a few bull elk in this basin several days ago, and a couple of them still had their antlers, but a few of them had dropped them, and I thought this was going to be a great spot. The three of us have put on probably 20 miles or more over the last several days just combing this basin, and I really want to come back to this spot. There's a lot of deer sign, a lot of elk sign. This is a really thick area, but unfortunately we just kind of ran out of time this afternoon, but starting to head back to the truck. It's starting to get dark, but got another one though. We are at another private ranch, helping them clean up some of these fields from the antlers so they don't get flat tires. It's the least that we could do. So we're gonna cruise around, work our way crosswind with the dogs, hope that they can find some. Good girl! Good girl! Good. Well, we put on a little bit over 9 miles this afternoon here to find this. But at least we didn't get skunked. That's just kind of the name of the game. Sometimes we find stuff, sometimes we don't. A lot of times we don't. But I want to thank you for joining us on another episode of The Quest. Be sure to join us next time, because as always, the quest will go on. Yeah! Come on, girls, let's go.